How to figure out your brand pillars. Okay, let's start here. When you think of your brand pillars, aka your brand buckets, as Kat calls them, however you want to call it, whatever you want to call your brand topics, start with a blank canvas. Get a piece of paper, get a whiteboard, get a post-it, and write down things that encompass your brand. What is something that you do better than anybody else? What is something that you like to talk about? What is something that you get asked a ton about that you find yourself constantly repeating yourself? Those are a sign that those are probably something that your brand should represent. My thing is I have small business tips, my podcast, which is also small business, Pinterest, my girlfriend Renee, face shit, social media, and content repurposing. All of them fall under one umbrella of small business, but then I break it down into different categories because that's what I enjoy talking about. That is my wheelhouse. That is my zone of genius, if you will. Say you have a fitness company. You can do workouts. You can do recipes. You can do products. You can do reviews on how you meal prep, grocery tips. I mean, think about the things that encompass your brand and stick within that, because guess what? Your content is going to be so much easier to come up with when you have your brand pillars. You won't see me talking about, recipes on my page because it doesn't serve my audience. So by having those 5 brand pillars, 3 brand pillars, however many you want, you're going to be able to come up with your content so much easier. So I would say come up with a blank piece of paper, whiteboard, figure out what topics you find yourself talking about the most, what topics you enjoy talking about, and what topics people are asking you about, because chances are those are your brand pillars. You just don't even know it now.